here's a product listing that has got an ebook on it. So you can see 2, count them, I know you won't, ebooks, your guide to being healthier, and your guide to recipes. And anybody that's done any research on this at all, Mick, I'm thinking of you, would know instantly that vegetable spiralizer recipes is a huge search term on merchant words, and so it makes a lot of sense to incorporate a recipe book with your listing as a bonus. But how on earth do you do that? What the hell do you do? All right, so the way that you do that, and I'm going to give you a really, really sexy trick here too. The way that you do that, if you are selling in Australia, it is currently a pain in the ass because you have to manually send them an email after their purchase with the link to go and get their ebook. All right, so, and that is, granted, a royal pain in the arse. However, lots and lots of companies are saying that they're going to start integrating into their current platforms to send out emails automatically, that they will integrate Australia in, and I've got no doubt that that's going to happen in due course. As soon as that happens, all you need to do is set up an autoresponder email so that anybody that purchases your product gets a link to go and download the ebook. All right, so it's super easy to do, dead easy to do. Let's just check my saying. That's a little bit of internet drama. So the most important thing about your ebook though is do not try and sell in your ebook. Do not try and offer a coupon code. Do not try and make any additional sales. Keep your ebook extremely focused on what it is that you're wanting them to do. And my advice would be, don't even try and send them outside of the Amazon architecture to go and log into something. You could well run foul of Amazon. They check all the ebooks, by the way, they check them all to make sure nobody's trying to game their system. So don't do that. However, you can and should use, let's just go over here, something called Amazon S3 to host your ebook on. All right, now there's 2 levels to what I'm just about to share with you. Level number 1 is if you use Amazon S3 to host your ebook, then you will get what's called a live link in your email that you're sending to your customers. All right, so Amazon will only allow a live link, and that is a live link. So when I hover over it, you can see it underlines. That means that link is alive. I can just click it and it will do what it's supposed to do. Versus a dead link, which is where you have to put in like that, for instance, and I can't click that. There's nothing to click. It's dead. So a live link is preferable because more people click live links because people are generally lazy with that sort of thing. So the way that you get a live link is by using Amazon S3 to do that, and you can get a live link in your emails that way, and you can use that in a lot of different ways, but for this specific purpose it enables you to have more people look at your ebook and therefore have a better customer experience and therefore get more positive reviews as a result of that. You'll get better reviews by doing that, which is super cool. Second level of that for your more advanced people is to, on the Amazon S3 page, you can also embed onto that page a Facebook pixel so that when somebody downloads your book, you put a cookie onto their computer for them, and then you can run advertising to them through Facebook, which is a different level of that. Again, that's a lot more advanced. Now, if you haven't got a clue how to use Amazon S3, never you fear, for I am here. All you need to do is go to your good friend Fiverr, type in Amazon S3, and you'll find all sorts of folks who will integrate and configure Amazon S3 for you for the princely sum of in this instance, $5. So you can get it done super cheap. So don't worry about being a techie guy or gal. You don't need to be. That's how you do it. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.